In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions to remove the ransomware called 8ZVPM. 8ZVPM. The reason why the ransomware is called like that because it adds this special extension to the files that are encrypted by the ransomware. And the extension is 8ZVPM. So, this particular ransomware modifies all popular file types. Before the ransomware attacks the files, people can open their data without any complications. But this is what happens after the ransomware attack. People are no longer able to open their files. And I will demonstrate to you how exactly it happens. So, due to certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, the ransomware may some way or another be injected, and then pretty soon people realize that they cannot open their files. The ransomware adds this special 8ZVPM extension to the data, and the victims cannot use their files. The ransomware then tells the victims to pay this special ransom for the file recovery, but definitely paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files will be restored, so you should not pay that ransom. This is that scary message named How to Decrypt. But once again, do not pay the ransom for the file decryption because you may simply lose your money for nothing. What we recommend you to do is to immediately remove this ransomware, and we suggest that you use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may get the latest version of it on the website combocleaner.com. Download it using this green Download Combo Cleaner button. Install the application and start checking your device in order to detect and delete this ransomware. Plus, Combo Cleaner with its premium version will help to protect your data from being damaged in future. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.